What's going on, everyone? Welcome to a cheap made in China unboxing of a wireless lavalier microphone. So this is just something, this looks exactly like the other thing I bought. This came in the same type of case. Like, I buy it alone almost just for this case because I use this case for my memory cards now and I really like it. So yeah, here we go. Very simple looking stuff here. I'm just going to try it out to see what it's like because supposedly I can use this with my Samsung phone because it's got a USB-C to USB connector. It has a 3.5 millimeter jack on it, and we're gonna have to charge this up, I'm sure, to see what it's like. But then it comes with two microphones, which you can go ahead and sync up to each other and use it with like multiple people. So if I'm recording like a couple different people, I'm having like doing a podcast or something like that, be kind of neat, huh? Oh yeah, it comes with two windproof nets. They're super freaking light too. That's pretty nice. I'll have to see what the battery life is and stuff like that. This thing actually comes with a lot less stuff. It's very minimalist. I like the case though. I don't know. These are nice cases. iPhone to iPad. Please use this USB-C to Lightning cable. This is an accessory to connect the receiver. Blah blah blah. How to use? Press and hold the power mute button on the. Let's see if it's charged up already. Oh yeah, so there's a power button on here, and it lights up green, and it lights up green. So we're already cooking with gas there. It's a connection. And green and red is flashing. Step 2, press and hold the power button on the receiver to start the machine. At this time, the receiver of green really moves at the bottom in pairing state. The microphone, the transmitter is pairing. All right. So it looks like we're already paired and good to go. And apparently it's already charged too. I have no idea what the battery life is going to be like that, but I think with it being rechargeable and stuff, it's not going to be that big a deal. So let's go ahead and pause this video for a minute. I'll hook it up to this thing and see if it sounds better than what I'm currently using, which is just a on-camera microphone on the Canon EOS R. All right, guys. So I got the microphone clipped onto my wonderful neck shirt here, and I guess let's see how this thing sounds. This is just straight out of the box. I don't know if there's a whole lot of settings. I don't really see any settings in here specifying how you can really adjust it. It has a nice lightweight, I don't even notice that it's on me, which is nice. This thing is super dirt cheap. It's like $40 on Amazon. So, and I'm sure there's tons of different versions of it that are all the same, but I wanted to try something else that's different out. Like I said, this might be actually beneficial to me when I'm using it on my phone and stuff like that versus using the phone mic. It doesn't necessarily pick up when you're across the room and stuff that well. If you're standing behind it, it's really good. Same thing with the EOS R. Like its onboard microphone is okay, but it doesn't really help for stuff like this. You can obviously use it with like got a lightning cable here, so you can use it with your iPhone, USB-C's, USB-C to USB-C. Charging it would be very helpful. All these things are USB-C charging, which is cool. But yeah, we'll have to see how this thing sounds, and you have to let me know if this sounds better than my old setup. I think it probably will because it's obviously closer to my face. It's not going to pick up any like, unless I'm just like bashing around stuff on myself. Versus when I had it taped here, it was kind of for the people that didn't get to see the close up of it. USB to USB-C, USB-A to USB-C, Lightning to USB-C. These things charge with USB-C, which is this cord here. But I'm sure you could technically use these cords to charge it if you wanted to as well, which are nice and braided. And for the people like me that have cats that love to chew the rubbery cords, the braided cords are awesome because my cat doesn't seem to chew those. So yeah, that's about it for this package. It looks pretty good. We'll have to see how it sounds and let me know, I guess, what you guys think of the sound quality from here on out. I think it'll be kind of nice. Like I said, having it right in front like this, closer to me, better microphone voice direction and stuff like that. But we'll see how it is and see how it performs and revisit it if I have any issues. You guys like, comment, consider subscribing. I'm super, I'm excited so far, but we'll have to see, I guess, how it holds up and how it performs in the future. So Yeah, it paired really fast and easy, and yeah, we'll have to see what it sounds like when I hook it up to my cell phone and stuff too. So take it easy, be well, and I'll catch you in another wireless microphone review update whenever I find out more about it, if I like it or don't. Take it easy, be well, and I'll see you in the next one. Woohoo! We'll just do a little talking through the microphone to see how it sounds. This is on my Samsung S22 Ultra. So far, I really like this microphone. It pairs really easy, whether it's on a phone or on my camera, my DSLR. It works really well. I think I really actually kind of enjoying the sound of it so far, but see what you guys think, how it sounds through the YouTube. But I think this might be a fun little temporary microphone. It's obviously really cheap at 40 some bucks, but we'll see how it works. And it'd be nice just to have a cordless one. Rechargeable cordless. Pretty cool. We'll see how long the battery life lasts and whatnot. But other than that, I think I do enjoy this microphone so far. If there's anything you want to see done with it, let me know. I don't think that many people are going to care about a $40 microphone, but you never know. But yeah, there we go. New microphone. Hell yeah. Excuse me. Jeez.